Hello there. God bless you. And I hope that this finds you okay and living the life that you always wish you could live. This is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab called Summer Tea Party, and it is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. May I imply unto you to go on down and check these ladies out? Please go to the playlist and look at all the beautiful tea settings that they have for you. Yes, please go on down and check the playlist. Once again, this is Summertime Tea Party. It's an open collaboration for anyone that wants to join. Just follow YouTube etiquette, and they're hosted by Sandy Lynn Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. Well, I've already have my tea party set up, and I hope that you like it. Come on in and let's have tea. I'm going to go and tell you what I have. Here I have my Victorian teapot that I DIY'd. I found this broken up teapot at the thrift store, and it was pennies on the dollar because it's broken up. But I brought it home and made a Victorian teapot out of it. Now here you will see my little cupcakes that I have. They are faux or fake cupcakes. I have some here and here and here over in the corner. And here I have a huge faux cupcake in here. Have one here, and I have a faux cupcake here. Okay, and I have this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the sign was no, I got this sign from Dollar General, and they had everything marked down at Dollar General. And I think this sign was buy one get one free. Yes, so it made it 50 cents. It was a dollar, so it made it 50 cents. And I have my napkins here all ready for you to pick up and to use. I have a napkin here, napkin there, and I have my blessed sign here because I truly want you to have a blessing when coming to have tea with May's Design Corner. And this is my little teapot here. I hauled this teapot from a thrift store as well. I can't remember the price because it's been so long ago, so I really can't remember the price. This is some tulips that I have here in my vase here. This vase came from the thrift store as well. Y'all, I'm a thrift store junkie, was, and I had this vase for over 6 years. 6 years ago, things at the thrift store was almost dirt cheap. And here's another vase that I have with some white florals in here as well. Then I have my faux cookies and gingerbread men here going around the base of this. And underneath that, I have my cups for my tea. So come on, grab you a cup from under here, pour you some tea, and sit down and have a cookie or two and some tea with me. I would appreciate it, and I love having company. And we can jibber jabber and talk about how good the Lord has been to us and how the Lord has brought us from point A to point B. So this is my summertime tea party, and it's just waiting on someone like you to come and partake. These are my faux cookies here. Don't they look just scrumptious? And in the middle, I have some florals here, and they are in a coffee cup. I did this. Let me see, can I get it out without knocking everything over? But yes, I did. See, it's in a coffee mug from the Dollar Tree. And I put the red and white florals on it. So I'm going to set this back up here without tearing the whole thing up. And there it goes right there. And I hauled this about 4 months ago. I went into Marshall's and I saw this. And I said, oh, this looked like a little cookie or a cake. So Marshall's had it marked down to $6 or $8, but it was half price on that. So I got that because I think it's so cute. Y'all, it's a little mug. Isn't that pretty? That looks like a cake. So I'm going to set that back here. And once again, I'm going to say, you are so welcome to come and partake with me. Thank you, ladies, for having this beautiful collab. And I ask that whoever is looking, please go on down the playlist, check it out. And I'm quite sure each individual lady will welcome you to their summertime tea party. This is May's Design Corner saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world, no matter how bad it looks. And baby, right about now, it's kind of looking kind of bad. But guess what? We got to stay focused and know that God is alive and well. Woo! And I, for one, am so glad. Go on down and tell Sandy Lynn, the Grace Life who's Anna, Jennifer at home, and decorating with Jazzy Green, which is Liz. Let them know that May's Design Corner said for you to come on down and look at the playlist. And we may have some more ladies joining us too for tea. So let everybody know that tea time is any time and that God is alive and well. Please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And come on in and have tea with me. May's Design Corner saying, do. And prayer really works. I do.